We have a high-definition video of Tesla's possible Texas land where Tesla may be building its Terafactory, the Cybertruck Terafactory. This morning, one of our YouTube friends and subscribers, Brian Roschetzky, who lives in the area, went to that area, and took a video, a high-definition video. Brian is a professional photographer. He says that he lived in Texas his entire life, grew up across the street from Koch Refineries in Corpus Christi, and he is so happy to see us finally change the renewables and to electric vehicles. And you can find our friend Brian Roschetzky from Roschetzky Photography on IG or Instagram at Roschetzky Photography. So here is the video Brian sent us, and as you can see, it's a high definition video. This is the land which first was the runner-up for Giga Nevada in 2004, I believe 2014. Yes, in 2014, the CEO Elon Musk has expressed interest in Texas before. Now, prior to choosing Nevada in 2014 as the site for a $5 billion battery factory, two Texas sites, one between Hutto and Taylor in Williamson County and another near Dallas, reportedly were the runner-up. And this property is near between Hutto and Taylor. Taylor is an industrial park, and Hutto is a small city outside of Austin. And this location is only about 30 minutes from Austin International Airport, and this is in RCR Taylor Logistics Park in Taylor, RCR Taylor Logistics Park. And thanks to our friend Brian, we have this video. Now you will hear Brian explaining what is what in this video. As I finish this introduction, I will increase the volume, and you can see how Brian explains this video. So this, we believe, is the land in which Tesla is interested, and we had earlier reports that earlier this year, Tesla, according to local news reports, Tesla has visited this site and has looked at it. Now, currently, the only confirmed information we have is that Tesla has chosen Austin, Texas, and Tulsa, Oklahoma, as the finalists where it wants to build its Cybertruck Terafactory. And also, according to Electrek, Tesla wants to have the first, that wants to start quicker, faster, and wants to have the first Model Y vehicle getting off the assembly line by December of this year. That's very quick, and as I have reported below, Tesla apparently wants to build the big assembly line very quickly in a few months and start producing Model Y there, while continuing to build the other phases of the Terafactory, and as a result, next year they will start producing the Cybertruck there. But like I said, it's now only Austin and Tulsa, which is confirmed. Yesterday I had a letter from a commercial realtor from Austin, who told me in a letter that he has a credible information that Tesla has already purchased the land, and the announcement from the Texas governor's office about Tesla Terafactory will come soon. How soon? Both of us, we didn't know, because the government, is busy with many other things, and also, they want to be careful with the announcement and so on. So keep an eye on our channel, friends. We're going to have a lot of interesting reports coming about possible Texas or Oklahoma Giga Terafactory. And in the meanwhile, this is the property which is twice bigger than the Giga Berlin property that Tesla is building, the Giga Berlin factory in Berlin. And this property is twice bigger, and it's found in RCR Taylor Logistics Parks outside of Austin, Texas, near Hutto, Texas. Thank you again, Brian, for sending us this video. And friends, if you are local and you know any information about, or even if you are from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you hear anything interesting and you're watching this video, please send me. You can find my email address from the contact information from our About page. And if it's credible information, I would be happy to report on that, because we're trying to bring as much interesting information as possible for our Tesla and electric car followers on this Torque News YouTube page. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and let's listen to Brian how he explains the length of this possible land location for Tesla's future Terafactory outside of Hutto, Texas, in RCR Taylor Logistics Park, 30 minutes north of Austin, Texas.
Is this the new Austin Tesla Gigafactory or Terafactory? This location is right outside of Austin, Texas. It's located about a few miles northeast of Round Rock, Texas. I've lived in Austin for a long time, and this is definitely one of the tech hubs of America. Everyone's moving to Austin. Everyone's been moving to Austin for years. This Tesla Gigafactory would be exactly what we've all been describing to what would happen to Austin, Texas. You can see the 5 or 6 rail lines in the back, one splitting off. It looks like there's going to be 2 bridges. This bridge here is going to go over these 2 streams that wind around down at the bottom of that creek. You can see the different construction yards there. This is one large area. Now on my next video, I will try to fly the drone all the way down the railroad tracks and see what will be going on back there, way in the back. I didn't go back there. It is actually a pretty far fly back there. I can definitely do it. I just didn't know really what to expect when I got here. So yeah. Also, by the time I left, the 18-wheeler with the flatbed ended up leaving, so I don't think you can see anyone, but it's probably inside the truck already. That is definitely a lot of construction going on. This is also located down from America's next largest indoor water park. There he is exiting the Hutto Tower. So, is this the next Tesla Gigafactory? Let me know what you think. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll make another one and see if this progresses. Peace.